4:44 we were up, jumped into the shower, put on our branded shirts, and we were out. You know, when you stop to look at the sunrise on the trees and the landmass, it gives you that golden chrome look. Beautiful. So, now that everybody's accounted for, next stop, check-in. I don't know me no play. Me make sure me have everybody passport. So now, it's through security checkpoints, get some food, and boarding. Yeah, it's our first time on an escalator. We're trying not to laugh. And before you know it, you're in the air. Touchdown in Atlanta.
If you did asleep, but I put my hair chair asleep and I'm not wide open.
Let me say, I want to get a couple buckets on there. Tell you
Look here.
the person.
But listen, let me catch her head one at a time and put her head on my shoulder.
Yeah, man. Lord, come here, tell you, say, the seat in front I nearly get it. So we're still there upon the journey, right? But watch your step. We land at Atlanta. And I said to ourselves, say, oh, we have 8 hours to stay in at the airport before the next flight to go in Seoul, in Korea. People, so look at the counter and shall we go check? The flight is not 9 o'clock tonight. It's 9 tomorrow morning. And we're not in the sleep in the airport thing. You know what I mean? So we find a hotel and book it and cook it. Yeah. The team there. So they are now officially world travelers. Because they're leaving Atlanta to go to Korea. And we will tell you no more about the takeoff and the landing, because on the takeoff nobody never fears. But the landing, we say Christina beside me, but we'll tell you about that story then, yeah?
If we go there at Atlanta for the rest of the day, we no must touch road, even for make a walk around the block. And you know the most important thing we're gonna need? Food.
No, I'm a father, brother, you know. Father,
Shelly, you don't drive something like that? You don't drive something like this?
What?
I think I didn't call Manchester truck, bro.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yo, Mr. Man, I really like
That's only gonna come out if me drive that.
You know when I see this?
Yes, sir. When me gonna come out, the jump is gonna jump out.
Alright, hit one more pose. Hit one more kick.
Where you want me to pose? Where you want me to pose?
Wherever you want, I just want that leg back. Cause that's all. You see, I keep putting mine down. I can't even stand that long.
Oh, I met Optimus Prime and I took some pictures. Autobots transform.
So we realize say all our clothes there now check on. We have to just find a dollar store.
Sir, this would have fit.
burn that out. Run that out and burn that out.
When the first block.
We are come go up now, you know. So you know, say Mama Shelly have to just carry the youth them, you know, get some things, you know.
Never know, say, we are go somewhere where, other than country, a yard, when man them say, you are right round the summer.
Okay.
And you drive, and I'm going to wait round the side of the
Drop something. I let me drop. You're at the
So, yes or no, we are 2 blocks away. I'm going to tell you,
Yeah.
the journey to the first block.
Right now. And the brick them out about a block.
We just have to go back up here now.
So of course you don't know the videographer have to catch everything. From where I walk to where I eat. Even when we are asleep. Now watch the snoring when I snore. I did very tired. And watch them two over there so well curl up.
"4:30 a.m. we were up getting ready for a 15-hour flight.
Ready up now for the second leg, you know. My side, you ready?
Long time. Yes.
Watch them iron man. Them iron him 5 o'clock in the morning.
That's why it's good for you to leave your glasses.
FYI, this was my first train ride.
Wanna know how me I wait for him to drop asleep? But guess what? His mouth never open and him never either snore.
This was after the 15 hours flight. But trust me, my body mash up. But finally, we're in Korea.
And then head to a bus. What me like about the bus here, the seat them can recline, the foot them can kick up, and the most important thing, the seat them have heater.
Water, please.
Wish you could understand whatever I say.
Oh.
And then it was meet and greet. And of course, you know, we had to do a few interviews. Next day, we did a site visit, look at the stage, do a little rehearsal. Then of course we went to get some food. And oh yeah, dance. At the end of the opening ceremony, you know, we had to meet up with the ambassador and have a chat.
Day one was a good look. It was a very impressive setup.
And the Jamaican booth them just stand out with the black, green and gold. Plus, there was a Blue Mountain coffee booth. The best thing was, it was a non-alcoholic because me no do the liquor thing. Cheers to health and wealth.
There's Xpressionz!
Take it to them. Xpressionz. Take it to them. X to the P to the R to the E, double S to the I to the O N Z. Xpressionz are with them and we no afraid of nobody. Yo!
Nobody.
Let them know.
I'm in a dancing mood. I'm in a dancing mood.
How much I need you, you wouldn't stay away.
Exodus. Movement of the people.
Don't let them fool you. Thinking yes, that's riot.
Road of life is rocking, and you may stumble too. So while we point the fingers, someone else is judging you.
Each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Come on.
Lift it up, everybody lift it up. Left foot off and go, I want to see you lift it up, lift it up, lift it up, everybody lift it up.
Second miss a cat because you come from mash it up. Anywhere you go with a y'all and pull up. Listen, miss a cat because him well dangerous. Miss I mud up italic and italic and italic.
Don't eat my sweet. Mommy waking for me, I'm on the phone. I want to talk to my baby. Phone call, love and help when you feel lonely. Him can tell you things make you feel sexy.
Watch this.
Oh, not that.
You hear new style, new dance and lick. In your hand in the ear, then you rock, then you dip. Move to the drum and make your body kick. Step forward and come up back quick. That's all the new style where the whole place I do. Rap, bogle, dance, some music sweet you.
Yeah, some for six, all dancers, step back. Everybody start take for yourself. Follow the rhythm and take for yourself. Spin with it and take for yourself. And the new dance take for yourself.
Then sweep, everybody in ya, do the sweep. Yeah, do the linger, then sweep. Alright, everybody dance.
My gosh, it's lava. One rascal, the girl, them fever. So basic, sana.
Romel.
You know the procedure. Girl, my call with sauna. Inferno. Excuse and mind it burn.
Korea, step by step, step by step. Journey feel a little bit shorter. Shorter, breath by breath, breath by breath. Step by step, journey feel a little bit shorter, South Korea. I'm living amongst monsters, and who are you, I wonder. Living amongst monsters, and for my blood they hunger. I am living amongst monsters. Can a man cry? Can a man cry? Can a man cry? Can a man cry?
And let's do this together, yes? We can do this together? Yes, so thank you so much. Blessings.